What's up, everyone? Are you seeing a lot of suggested people in your Messenger app on Android and want to know how to make them stop? Those suggestions often come from your Facebook friends, people you've chatted with before, or contacts from your phone if you've allowed Messenger to sync them. If you're ready to clear out these extra suggestions, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off contact syncing in Messenger. This is the most important step to prevent Messenger from continuously adding suggestions based on your phone's contacts. Open the Messenger app on your Android phone, tap on the menu bar, then go to the Settings option. Now scroll down and tap on See More in Account Center. After that, go to Your Information and Permission. Now tap on Upload Contacts and choose Messenger. Make sure your Upload Contacts option is turned off. Step 2. Clear out all conversations. Sometimes, even past chats can make people show up as suggestions. Deleting those conversations can help tidy things up. Open your Messenger app, tap and hold on the specific chat you want to remove. A menu will pop up. Simply tap Delete. And that's it. There you go. You've now cleaned up your Messenger suggestions and stopped it from using your phone's contact for future recommendations. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more useful Messenger tutorials. Thanks for watching.